What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and insert digital signatures when editing PDF files in Adobe Acrobat. After opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat, you have the option to quickly sign it using the Fill and Sign tool. To do so, head to All Tools on the top left of the interface. From here, click on Fill and Sign. You'll be brought to the eSign tab. If you don't have a signature yet, you'll see an option to create one from here. Click on your newly created signature and you'll be able to place it anywhere in your PDF document. You can drag and resize the signature after placing it, and even change the size by clicking on the small or large A. Click on the trash bin icon to remove it, or click on the three-dot menu icon for more options. If you need an official e-signature for your document, then open up your Adobe Acrobat preferences by heading to Menu, Preferences. On this window, head to the Signatures section. Under Identities and Trusted Certificates, click on More. You'll be able to create a new digital ID by clicking on the plus ID icon. Proceed by clicking on A new digital ID I want to create now. Next. Here, you'd most likely want to create a new PKCS12 digital ID file, which follows a standard format that is supported by most software applications and web browsers. Click on Next and fill out the information. Enter your name, organization, email address, and country of residence or work. Leave the key algorithm option to 2048-bit RSA and make sure to set the Use Digital ID 4 option to Digital Signatures and Data Encryption. Click on Next and then set and confirm a password to password protect your signed documents. Click on Finish when you're done. You can then exit out of your preferences and you'll be ready to sign any PDF document with your digital signature. Under All Tools, click on View More and then Use a certificate. Next, click on Digitally Sign, and then you can click and drag the area in your PDF file where you want your digital signature to appear. A new window will pop up asking you which digital signature or certificate to use. You can also create a new digital signature from here. Click Continue and then make sure to enter your digital ID PIN or the password we just created for your digital signature. You can click on Sign to add the digital signature. But before doing so, consider locking the document before signing it. This will prevent you or any other user from making changes to this document after it has been signed. Save the signed PDF document and then you're done. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.